Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to export Wix website to WordPress. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for Wix. After that, open the official website and sign into your account. After signing in, all of your websites will be displayed in front of you. Simply choose the one you want and click on Edit. Now, open your Wix website in a new tab. After that, open a new tab and search for WordPress.com. Here, click on the Tools embed from the left side menu and then select Import. Now, a list will appear in front of you. Simply select Wix at the bottom and you will be prompted to enter your Wix website's URL. So go back to your website, copy the link and paste it in here. Once done, click on Continue and then click on Start Import button to start the process. So that's basically how you can export Wix website to WordPress. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.